From an industry standpoint, I'll talk at two levels. One is overall what as a mega trend we are noticing, and obviously what comes on to specific areas within that mega trend. So I think from last year it's very easily visible that analytics is getting pervasive in all sectors, in all domains. It is going in the form of IoT into the manufacturing and supply chain, and it is obviously there in terms of big data, in terms of what we see on the web and social media. And traditional analytics has always been there in banking and financial services because they have been data rich. So what we are seeing is a very high uptick of the first two, which I said, the IoT side of it and the big data side of it. Now this is resulting into a massive amount of focus by all leaders across sectors, across industries. What is that data that they can work upon, and how can they monetize the data? So I think the biggest point that, and we heard somebody saying in media also that data is the new oil, right? So I think this mega trend that analytics is going to give you a competitive advantage, is going to be a key differentiator, and it is something that everyone should be looking at, is now very well established. It was not the case maybe 3 years back. So that's one mega trend that we see. Now when you have such a mega trend happening in the industry, it's obviously going to create a lot of jobs, opportunities, and many other scopes that come in. So that's one thing that we are seeing mainstream, it's already there. The second aspect which I said I'll talk about is what are the opportunities that we see as services and products. Now opportunities for products and services in analytics is again quite a lot, provided there is a clear focus, provided there is a clear value that can come out of it. Generic analytics or generic services or generic products around dealing with data, I think that is where the tough part is, which is obviously something that gets into a commodity phase very fast. So I don't think that phase is yet very clearly visible, but it is there out there. The key differentiator is if you can focus out your analytics and services products to a particular value, to a particular business domain, to a particular business problem, I think that's where a huge amount of demand is. That's our focus, and that's what we have seen in the industry so far. Because if you see, if I just see the last 3 years of this industry, the amount of technology change that we are looking at and the amount of new things that keep coming in is tremendously very high. And it's a very interesting phase because there is so much of technology that is getting developed, changed, and being applied. It's interesting. At the same time, it demands a lot of learning again and again. Because, for example, if you just look at the cloud platforms, and since my company works with Microsoft Azure, we have seen that evolve in 3 years so much. And continuously more and more technology on the analytics side, intelligence side is coming out. So this is going to be a continuous change. A lot of people ask me, when will this kind of stop? It doesn't going to stop. I mean, I don't think it is needed to be stopped. It's up to us that how much we learn, how fast we learn, how much we unlearn, and how much we go back and apply to it. So for us to be relevant in the industry, I think a continuous learning is the main focus, and we should get into the habit of that.